Yeah, so we have just started our trekking few minutes ago, and there are two roads to trek. So look at the landscape. It's amazing. Wow. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Roy, and this is the second part of our Himachal trip, and today we are trekking towards Kheerganga. So it's a 14-kilometer trek, and it will be quite I guess 6 to 7 hours of trekking. So I have still some packing remaining, so I will just finish this quickly. Like, this bag has all my clothes and the jackets. The temperature in Kheerganga is, I think it's going to be 10 degree in the morning, and it's going to be 5 to 6 degree in the evening time. So we really need this type of fur jackets, which would keep you warm. But here are so many warm clothes. Like, this is my cargo pants, my another trousers in case there is some rain. Then yeah, we are also carrying some disposable raincoats, which are like one-time use just for this trek. And I think this will fit. Done. So now, yeah, I also have few things to carry. So here are few chocolates and some cup noodles, some peanuts, yeah. So these are the supplies that we will be needing for the trek. The trek will be around like 6 to 7 hours, so in the meanwhile we will make few stops, like I guess every 2 hours. So in between we can stop and find hot water for this and just cook and eat it. And there are also few stalls, I guess, on the way. So yeah, let's pack these everything now. Breakfast में क्या है? Maggie? I think there's only Maggie and paratha is no more.
अभी आ रहे हैं वैसे.
And coffee भी है क्या?
नहीं, चाय है भाई.
हाँ.
कॉफी वाला तो ग्लास.
कैसा है मैगी?
Very good taste.
Okay. हाँ? So everyone out here is having their breakfast. Maggie, then aloo paratha and achar.
आलू पराठा and दही.
Yeah, dahi also.
Lunch. Salt free Maggi.
खाओ खाओ.
ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया क्या?
नहीं हुआ नहीं. आपका हो गया?
बाद में करेंगे, पहले मेरी बारी.
मतलब ये हो गया ना?
हाँ नहीं, और आ रहे ट्रैकिंग में बहुत गर्मी होने वाला है क्या?
Yes.
ये इसमें गर्म लगेगा?
शाम को सही रहेगा.
अच्छा. Yeah, so everyone out here is having their breakfast, and as soon as all are done, then we will head towards trekking towards Kheerganga, and few distance will be covered by our traveler, and the rest 14 kilometer will be trekking. So again we will continue the vlog there. There is only one paratha left. There is so much demand, and I'll take some achar. Also, the Maggi is really delicious, so I'm taking a lot more. It's chili Maggi basically with lots of vegetables, tomato, capsicum, onion. It's nice. Even this is good. Aloo paratha and mango pickle. So now we'll just finish up this breakfast quickly and then we will head towards Kheerganga in our traveler. Okay. So we have just started our trekking and it is going to take around like 6 to 7 hours and we are going to make few stops, I guess, after 2 hours and all. So I think we might be trekking up to that hill, that one, and it's नहीं सब लोग आ रहे हैं. My new friends from Haryana. Okay. We all are trekking together. Lots of riders are also here, and
नहीं तो फिर मैं ठीक है हम अपना कर लेते हैं कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जंगल वाला रास्ते में ही है कि धूप नहीं होगी.
नहीं धूप से हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो रास्ता बता कौन. अब हमने टोपियां ले ली. सुंदर रास्ता कौन. जंगल वाला. अच्छा तो जंगल को कोई कलगा वाला गाँव नहीं आएगा.
नहीं वो नहीं आएगा.
और शॉर्टकट कौन सा होगा? शॉर्टकट
शॉर्टकट नहीं चाहिए.
वो शॉर्टकट
शॉर्टकट खराब ही होती है.
दोनों रास्ते बराबर है.
सेम ही है यार.
तो जंगल से ही चलते हैं.
चलो
नहीं शॉर्टकट भी नहीं. वो वैसे
चलो
नहीं है shortcut.
मिलते हैं ऊपर. मैं तो घोड़े से जाऊंगा.
क्या? Yeah, so there are two roads to trek, and one is the way towards the jungle, and there will be no sunlight, and that's a good thing because now it's a bit hot. और दूसरा रास्ता कौन सा था जो जंगल के बिना?
वहाँ पर सनलाइट ज़्यादा भाई.
अच्छा.
और वो गाँव पड़ेगा खीरगंगा वाला.
Okay, so another route was where there was no jungle and there was too much of sunlight, and as it's a bit hot, so therefore we chose the jungle way to trek.
वो यार वो 2 मिनट रुक जाओ. बंदे कहाँ हैं आने दो. सब लोग चलते.
So we have trekked all the way down from that bridge. After trekking these long steps, then here's some cafe. Everyone is making stops in these cafes, and
मैंने उनको बोल दिया.
the roads to this trek are tough as well as amazing. So here are a few shops, and these mules, they also happen to carry some luggage if you hire them, but they charge around like 3,000 or 4,000, something like that. Look at these bottles. So nicely. No, keep going, it's fine.
It's okay, you can. You were also looking on bottles.
Yeah. Never seen such colorful bottles. Wow, look at this waterfall, man. Yo,
भैया भैया साइड कर दो
भैया
रुकना जरा ऊपर करेंगे जो हम पे जो प्रेशर कर रहा है
Crossing this bridge with the luggage and the camera is so difficult, man. Whoa. Whoa, I did it. Oh. So we have rested for like 10-15 minutes and we have had some chocolates and some Sprite, and we have regained our energy for to trek 2 more or 3 more kilometers, and after that we will again make a stop and again eat something and again trek. So this will continue until we reach to the top. So yeah, let's continue with the trek. And everyone,
Are you clicking a picture?
yes,
Clicking a video.
So
Hi,
so everyone is regaining their energy to travel again, right?
Yes. So we are regaining the energy by eating this. This is choco
Zoom.
safari.
Okay, रुको दो. Again.
Okay.
हाँ.
So we are regaining our energy by having choco safari.
Yeah.
And this is by Dukes. And this is
Yeah, this is not
and
this,
this is given
but this video is not
This is given by the one standing behind the camera with yellow goggles.
Yeah, but this video is not sponsored by Dukes. Okay. हाँ.
चलो शुरू पे थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे चलो आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, so on the way to our trek, there is a beautiful fall, as you can see behind me. Oh. It's the current of the water is too much, yeah, and the wind is so cold out here. Oh man, like it is not possible to bath out here. The waterfall in Arunachal that we saw was, yeah, even that was really big, that was really nice, but it was not that cold. Out here, me wearing a sweatshirt, even inside I have a t-shirt, but still I'm feeling so cold. And look at that bridge behind me. People are finding it so difficult to cross. People are really finding it very difficult to cross. Like the bridge is vibrating. It might fall anytime. And here are also some cafes, as you see. They serve this Maggi, coffee, tea, some juices, some energy drinks. And what else do you want at such a high altitude?
आऊं रॉय आऊं.
Short way to Kheerganga, 3 kilometer. I guess it's going to take more 1 hour.
शॉर्ट वे टू शॉर्ट वे टू 3 किलोमीटर इधर
Look the way those girls are hiding.
zoom in.
हो गया. Wow, what's that? Looks like some sort of cave. Huh? Do you want to go inside?
okay, I'm fine. Okay, I will guard you. Oh my god. Okay.
Nice. Wow. So this is the camp. So the camp starts from here. A little bit more trek, and just we are on our way. See? So these are the camps. So now we have to find our camp, and then we'll keep our luggage. Then we will go to the hot water spring. These are the smaller tents for 1 or 2 persons, and this one is a bigger tent which can accommodate 4 to 5. Yeah, so this is the camping site where all the groups have come from many parts of this country, and they joined us for camping. The place is really amazing, like it's a breathtaking view. Just look at that. I shall zoom a bit. Wow, the clouds, they came so below. In the night, the temperature had fallen to almost 5 degrees or something like that, and just look at this. I wake up from my camp and I wake up to this view. How amazing is that? Yeah, so this is the kitchen. So let's see if they can, so let's see if they allow us to film inside. Let's see what's in the cooker. Yeah, so there's Maggi in the cooker, a lot of Maggi for a lot of people. She's putting some oil and just flipping it. कैसा है? अच्छा है.
खाने लायक तो है. It's good.
अच्छा. कैसा है?
अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा. चाय और मैगी और ऑमलेट भी शायद मिल जाएगा मांगने से.
अच्छा, मतलब एक आदमी को 3 मिलेगा.
हाँ, नहीं, पराठा, मैगी, चाय, ऑमलेट,
जो भी लेना.
Yeah, so this is the following day morning, and we just woke up from our tent and we woke up to this view. Just look at the view, it's so amazing. It's a breathtaking view. And now we are having breakfast, which I'll be showing you. Like this is the Maggi, and there's also paratha, there's also tea, and omelette on demand. So let's eat and see how is it. Simple but tasty. Was hungry from yesterday, so yeah. It's so cold out here in Kiriganga, and this is the perfect dish we would want here. Fast, easy to cook, easy to digest, I would say. So now we will finish off our breakfast, and then we'll be again trekking to the traveler, which will again take us like 5 hours, I guess, because we'll be trekking downstairs, and then we will be leaving for Kasol and thereafter to Delhi. So yeah, let's continue. So we have stopped here for some dinner, and let's see, smells nice. Wow, look at the number of rotis this guy is making. Yeah, so we have completed our trekking by today afternoon, and it was raining so much that I could not vlog at all. Like, it was raining for continuously around like 6 hours, and even it's raining now, so I cannot go outside to record or something. But we have stopped here for some dinner, and the trek was a 14 kilometers. I mean, who would have thought that I would have trekked this 14 kilometers? Last I trekked in Meghalaya for like 3 kilometers. Even I thought that would be my last trek, because I don't find trekking so much interesting. But today I did 14 kilometers of trekking up, and again 14 kilometers of trekking coming down. So yeah, that was pretty nice. And the people we met on the trek were also nice. They were all helpful. There were people from many states of our country, and the place we have crossed so beautiful villages. While coming down, we trekked from a different route, but I could not vlog, as I said, because of rain. But the returning route was pretty awesome. We saw villages, we saw apple trees, and many other interesting things. So, and yeah, this is it. This Kasol Himachal trip has come to an end, and so thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. So yeah, bye bye.